Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be giving you a step-by-step tutorial on how to connect MetaMask with Uniswap. So if you want to transact with different cryptocurrencies that might not be quite as popular, you'll need to probably use something called a decentralized exchange. This is basically a way for you to swap between different cryptocurrencies in a decentralized manner. Now, one of the most popular platforms for doing this is called Uniswap, and one of the most popular cryptocurrency wallets is going to be MetaMask. So in order to use a decentralized exchange, you will need a wallet. MetaMask is one of the most popular, so this video will show you exactly the easiest way to use Uniswap with MetaMask. So without further ado, let's dive right on in, and please note there are timestamps down below that'll direct you to whatever part of the video is going to be most relevant for you, depending on what stage in the process you are already at. Now, if you don't have one yet, the first step is going to be to set up a MetaMask wallet, so let's dive through that process right now. So you can find a link in the description below to sign up for MetaMask, and it's going to take you to a page that looks something like this. Now from here, you're going to click download now. You're going to choose whether you want to download the Chrome extension, the iOS app, or the Android app. In this case, we're going to use the Chrome extension. We're going to press install MetaMask for Chrome. It's going to take you to the Chrome web store. As you can see, I've already got it installed, but if you didn't, it would say add to Chrome instead of remove from Chrome. You click that button and then follow the step-by-step process to sign up for MetaMask and get your account up and running. Once you've got your MetaMask wallet all set up, you can head on over to uniswap.org. It'll take you to this page and you'll press launch app. This will take you to app.uniswap.org, and from here you can see you'll be able to swap between different cryptocurrencies. But the first thing you'll need to do is connect your wallet. So you've got MetaMask all set up now, so you can just press on MetaMask. It'll give you this little pop-up here asking you if you want to connect your MetaMask with Uniswap. You'll press next, you'll press connect, and then it'll go through and connect. Now, from here, your screen will likely look a little bit different than mine because it won't say anything here. It'll say 0 ETH instead of 1.64 ETH. That's because there's no Ethereum in your MetaMask wallet yet. So the next step is going to be to get some Ethereum into your MetaMask wallet. Now, there's a number of different ways you can do this. You can actually buy Ethereum directly through MetaMask. If you click on your little guy here, you press buy, you can see you can buy ETH in a number of different ways. Now, the thing about these methods is the fees tend to be a little bit expensive, so I don't really like them. Okay, you can see if I want to buy $100 worth of ETH through this method, it's going to cost me about $113, which is not quite ideal. So what I prefer to do instead is to use a different platform to buy the Ethereum and then transfer your Ethereum from that other platform over to MetaMask. Now, my personal choice for this is going to be Gemini. This is one of the most popular centralized exchanges out there. And so it's pretty easy to buy cryptocurrency through Gemini directly with US dollars or whatever your local currency is. Additionally, they do have a promotion going on right now where if you sign up using the link in the description below, you'll get a free $10 worth of Bitcoin if you make a transaction of over $100. So if you are planning on transacting with $100 or more of Ethereum, you can get a free $10 of Bitcoin in the process. So once you head down in the description and click on that link, it'll take you to a page that looks something like this, again mentioning that $10 worth of Bitcoin offer. You'll just click on get started here and it'll prompt you to create an account, filling in your information. Very simple and straightforward process, so I'll pick it back up with you guys once I'm all signed into my account. All right, so here we are within my Gemini account. Yours will likely look pretty similar, but you will likely see in the total balance, it'll say 0 instead of $642. Now, we need to change that by buying you some Ethereum. How we're going to do that? Very simple, we'll press on market. We'll go down to Ether. We'll press buy once. How much? We'll just say $100. We'll press continue here. You'll have to add a bank account or debit card using Plaid. Very simple process to do that. As you can see, I've already got a US bank account linked, so I'll just click on that. You can see there's a slight fee here, but again, it's going to be about a quarter as expensive or less as those other methods directly through MetaMask, so saving you quite a bit of money depending on how much crypto you're actually transacting with. And then we'll just press confirm here, and then that will purchase the Ethereum directly into your Gemini account. Now, you can head back to your home screen here, go to portfolio, and you'll be able to see that Ethereum right here. As you can see, I've only got Bitcoin and Dogecoin in my Gemini account, but if you were to have some Ethereum, it would show up right in here. Now, the next step is to move that Ethereum from Gemini over to MetaMask. How do you do that? Very, very easy. You'll press transfer, you'll press withdraw from Gemini, because we want to withdraw our Ethereum from Gemini. As I don't have any Ethereum, I'm just going to use Bitcoin, but you would click on Ethereum here. I'll press Bitcoin. You'll press continue. For the destination, you'll just head into your MetaMask wallet here. You'll just copy your account address. You'll paste it right in here. As you can see, I'll get an error because this is an Ethereum address, not a Bitcoin address. So I'll just go ahead and paste in my Bitcoin address. You'll press continue. For amount, you'll just enter the amount that you want to transfer. Likely it'll just be all of it, so just press max. Press continue. And then the last thing you'll need to do is just press this request withdrawal button, and then it will send your Ethereum from Gemini over to MetaMask. Now, this will take a couple of minutes, so you'll need to be a little bit patient, but once that transaction has gone through, you'll be able to click into MetaMask here and see your Ethereum balance has been updated with the amount that you transferred over from Gemini. Now from here, you can head back over to Uniswap and you'll be able to see your Ethereum balance right there. And then you can start to transact on the platform. There's also a variety of other things you can do on Uniswap, which we have plenty of tutorials about on the channel. So if that's something you're interested in, make sure to subscribe and check out those videos as well. Otherwise, I hope you found this video valuable, and I'll see you in the next one.